drawing Danny Dog dressed up as a daring pirate. With his eye patch and pirate hat, Danny Dog is ready for a big adventure on the high seas. Let's begin! Real pirates used eye patches to see better in the dark below deck. Pirates often had a parrot as a pet. What animal would you bring on a pirate adventure? Pirates love treasure maps, but not all maps actually led to treasure. Instead of saying hello, pirates say ahoy. A pirate's flag with a skull and crossbones is called the Jolly Roger. Some pirates buried their treasure, but most spent it right away. And there we have it! Our brave pirate is all set for adventure. Let's add colors. Let's grab our favorite colors to make him come to life as a true pirate on the high seas. Pirates would wear earrings because they believed it improved their eyesight. Not all pirates were bad, some just wanted freedom on the sea. pirate ships had crow's nests, high lookout spots to spot other ships or land. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. Look at Danny Dog's pirate boots. Would you wear pirate boots? Give us a nod if yes. This was the best pirate adventure ever. Do you agree with me? How do you like Danny Dog's pirate hat, mates? It's got the skull and everything. Do you like drawing pirate hats? What would your pirate hat look like? Awesome job, everyone! Danny Dog looks like the fiercest, friendliest pirate out there. Don't forget to show your artwork and share this video. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Until next time, Pinky Artists.